Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If you're like me, when it's very hot outside, I don't have a big appetite. I want something light and quick to make. In today's episode, I'll show you a favorite of mine, which is my California Panini Sandwich. Messy and so tasty, this is a recipe you have to try. So let's start. We'll spread some of my Louisiana-style Rimulad on 4 slices of bread, which can be a nice French loaf, brioche, ciabatta, sourdough, or challah. Your choice. Now, to get my famous Rimulad recipe, simply click on the top right corner of your screen. From here, we'll lay 3 slices of Black Forest ham on 2 slices of bread. Next, in a bowl, we have our avocado that is peeled and sliced, and to prevent it from turning brown, we'll squeeze on some lime juice. I'd say about half a tablespoon. Now, with our clean hand, we'll gently toss to coat before placing the slices on top of the ham, covering the entire surface as much as we can. This sandwich is supposed to be deliciously messy, so let's make it that way. We'll also add some red onion slices, perfect to eat as is. Now, if yours has a strong taste, I explain what to do on the blog. To this, we'll add slices of hard-boiled eggs, followed by a large tomato slice per sandwich, then a slice of Swiss cheese as well, and finally, some butter lettuce, also known as Boston or Bib lettuce. We'll place the other slices of bread on top, pressing down to compact, and butter the top ones, making sure the entire surface is covered. Now, let's move on to our panini press. David and I own this one. It's not electric and it will last forever. So we'll set the heat on medium and place the sandwiches, buttered side down, put the lid on, and cook about 4 minutes or until we have those distinctive marks on them. Like earlier, we'll spread the butter evenly, carefully flip the sandwiches, put the lid back on, and grill until nice and brown. We'll serve them immediately. And my friends, this is our California Panini Sandwich. Tasty and a bit messy, this is a flavorful sandwich to make during the hot summer months. It takes less than 30 minutes and you have an amazing meal that will definitely keep you satisfied. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!